In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the paper trading amount in TradingView. If you've ever wanted to simulate a fresh start or test out different strategies without risking real funds, changing your paper trading account balance in TradingView is a great way to do just that. It provides a risk-free environment where you can refine your skills and experiment with a range of different trading tactics. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the trading panel at the bottom of your chart. This panel is your main hub for accessing your paper trading settings, and it's conveniently located where it won't interfere with your view of market charts or analysis tools. Make sure to locate this panel because this is where all the magic happens. Next, ensure that you're connected to Paper Trading by TradingView. This is crucial because we're specifically looking to change the paper trading parameters rather than anything else connected to actual trading with live funds or other accounts. Double-check your connection status here to avoid any hiccups down the line. Now, with everything correctly set up, look for the small gear icon situated next to the account name. Clicking on this icon will open the settings window, which is where you'll be able to modify the aspects of your paper trading account. Once you're in the settings window, you'll want to choose the Reset Paper Trading Account option. Selecting this will give you a fresh start by resetting your account balance, clearing any open positions and orders, and wiping your trading history. This is akin to a blank canvas, perfect for reevaluating your strategies or starting anew with a different approach. After you've opted to reset, you'll be asked to set your desired starting balance. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to control how much virtual capital you have available for your simulated trading activities. Beyond the starting balance, you'll also have the ability to choose your currency. Depending on your trading preferences and the markets you're focusing on, this flexibility can be particularly beneficial. Furthermore, if you wish to adjust aspects like leverage or commissions, now is the time to do so. These settings can impact your trading experience significantly by altering how your trades are executed and their subsequent costs, giving you more realism or different scenarios to practice under. Finally, confirming these changes will officially reset your paper trading account to your specifications. Remember, this effectively clears your slate, allowing you to explore new strategies without any carryover from your previous session. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the paper trading amount on TradingView. This is a key step in honing your trading skills without financial risk. Keep experimenting with different settings to see what works best for you, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning and growth. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.